あれ鉄道に乗るやつツアーとかもあったの。それはちょっと場所が遠いなと。ドライバーこれが一番楽しそうだよ。インターナビックどれぐらいでどうせここにとこ帰ってくる。
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board Mr. Lakeland number 2. Welcome Windmill Lake. Rather than be joined the boat, please take a moment and listen to the following safety notice. This vessel is fitted with a full complement of life-saving equipment, including floating life rafts, life rings, and buoyancy tanks situated around the outside of the upper deck. Downstairs in the cabin under the seat you have full complement of life jackets. All the emergency exits are clearly marked as including the sliding door in the front of the saloon. For reservation outside or stand on the outside seats or lean over the safety rail. Now that we went to emergency, please remain seated, stay calm and follow the instructions by the crew. Thank you. We are sailing Windmill Lake, which is the largest freshwater lake in England. It was formed during the last major ice age. It's 10.5 miles long, 1 mile wide, the widest point, a ridge depth of 220 feet, that's 67 meters. It's drained from its outermost point by the River Leven, and the water is flowed down into Morecambe Bay out into the Irish Sea. Along with the obvious recreational activities associated with the lake, it is also used to supply the water for the city of Manchester. 20 million gallons of water, or 91 million litres a day, to come from this lake. Our trip in this afternoon is going to be along the western shore, heading south to Bowness. Take approximately 30 minutes to get there. This western shore doesn't change too much in the last 160 years. I'll have a bar on board if you like any refreshments, straight in the back of the saloon, which is open now. We're serving tea, coffee, hot chocolates, soft drinks, beer, lager, spirit, chocolate, biscuit. Bar downstairs, toilets are situated on the rear deck.